In this video, we focus on the first major interaction gap, the gulf of execution. This gulf appears when a user has a goal, but cannot tell what action the interface supports. We will also discuss how design can shrink this gulf. The gulf of execution is the distance between what a user wants to do and the actions the interface seems to make available. The thermostat example shows this clearly. The user is cold and wants the room to be warmer. They see the thermostat interface, but the action is not clear. Which button changes the temperature? Which number is current temperature? Which number is target temperature? If the interface does not make those answers obvious, the user may press something only because they are guessing. That is an execution problem. The execution side of interaction asks a simple question: what can I do here right now? The interface answers through signifiers, layout, labels, mapping, size, color, position, and grouping. A button that looks clickable is a signifier. A slider that visually maps left to less and right to more supports action. A primary button that stands out tells the user where the next step probably is. Execution gulfs often feel like searching. A user wants captions in a video call but cannot find the control. A user wants to unsubscribe, but the link is hidden under Settings, Account, Billing, and another confirmation screen. A user wants to continue a process, but 3 buttons look equally important. The problem is that the interface does not clearly reveal the path from goal to action. One way to shrink the gulf of execution is to make the next likely action visually clear. This means the interface should guide attention in a way that matches the user's goal. Recognition is easier than recall. Interfaces should expose important actions. Use familiar labels, show context where possible, and match controls to the user's intention. The main idea is that a design shrinks the gulf of execution when it makes the next action visible, understandable, and aligned with the user's goal. If the user has to search, guess, or remember hidden rules, the gulf is still too wide.